Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. A few days ago, I got a few different models from Threshold Aviation to make the reviews on, and one of them is this Flair 737-8Max that I was looking forward to doing the review. But as you can see, the airplane arrived with the damaged engines, which are broken off the pylons, as you guys can see, and both the engines are sitting separately. So I've talked to Fahim at Threshold and we came to an agreement that I would glue these on, and if I do a good job then I can keep the model and pay very little for it, and since it's a damaged model. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it turns out, and if I'm successful, great, and then I'll do a review on this one instead of waiting for the other one, because for some reason these Flair models are very rare and highly collectible, and now they're already out of retail stores and it's really hard to get these guys. So I'm gonna use my cyanide acrylic glue to glue these engines back on it, and hopefully it'll be a good job and it'll be a nice clean job, and I'll make another video of it to show you how it turns out. As you can see with the full zoom that it's a clean break. I'm just trying to keep my phone steady, and so it should not be that difficult to repair it. Both engines are almost damaged the same way, and this happened in the shipping. So let's see how I can fix it, and if I do a good job then that's great and I get to keep this model. Alright guys, you take care. Bye bye.